Hello and welcome back to the Money Blitz channel. We are excited to be back and to share with you the latest updates on Tonic. As you can see, Tonic has been making significant progress and has gained the attention of many. With over 29,768 people currently following Tonic, it is clear that this project is highly innovative and worthy of attention. In this video, we will dive deep into Tonic and explore all that it has to offer. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to show your support for Tonic. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all things Tonic. As always, it is important to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. That being said, Tonic has seen a 90% increase in value recently and currently has a market cap of $15.4 million. In the past 24 hours, Tonic has seen a 1% increase in value and has a 24-hour trade volume of 307K. While the market has seen some corrections, Tonic has held strong and is showing a lot of potential for growth. In fact, Tonic has seen a 70% increase in value following a 100% run and sell-off. This is a promising sign for the future of Tonic and could indicate even more growth to come. It is worth noting that the market as a whole is looking bullish, with Bitcoin potentially on its way to $17,000 or even $30,000. This bodes well for Tonic and could lead to even more gains. As we mentioned earlier, Tonic is currently holding a market cap of $50 million and has a lot of potential for long-term growth. In fact, Tonic has already seen several 100% runs in the past and we can expect to see more in the future. With a current market cap of just $50 million, now is a great time to get in on Tonic and potentially see life-changing wealth in the future. We encourage you to do your own research and consider the potential upsides of investing in Tonic. With a strong community and a solid foundation, Tonic is a project that you don't want to miss out on. With its innovative cross-chain money market platform, Tonic has attracted a large and dedicated following. As you can see, Tonic has been on a roll recently, with a 90% increase in value and a market cap of $15.4 million. But why should you consider holding 1 billion Tonic tokens? For one, Tonic has a lot of potential for growth in the long term. As we mentioned earlier, the market as a whole is looking bullish. This bodes well for Tonic and could lead to significant gains for those who are holding a large amount of tokens. In fact, Tonic has already seen several 100% runs in the past and we can expect to see more in the future. With a current market cap of just $50 million, now is a great time to get in on Tonic and potentially see life-changing wealth in the future. In addition to the potential for growth, holding 1 billion Tonic tokens also gives you a lot of flexibility and control. With such a large amount, you would have a significant amount of power within the Tonic ecosystem and would be able to take advantage of any opportunities that come your way. Whether you want to use Tonic for transactions, as a store of value, or as an investment, holding 1 billion tokens puts you in a strong position to do so. So why should you hold 1 billion Tonic tokens? The potential for growth, flexibility, and control make it a smart choice for anyone looking to get involved in the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Don't miss out on this opportunity to be a part of the Tonic fam and join us on this exciting journey. Thank you for joining us and we look forward to sharing more updates with you in the future.